Must have chippy whip. Must have chippy. That chippy need chippy now. Chip, you ready, Cop? You've earned it. They'd have pretty bad heart conditions. Look at Tuffnut. I don't know anyone near it. Try to come in the window. They're going to come in the window. Check it out. He's going to come in. Grab it by the leg and pull it in. They're covered in lice.
Ew. Look at this dude standing guard over this one chip that's on the inside of the car.
Can you see him, Wub? Is he watching? Is Wubby watching the birds? He is. He's on. What's going on? We'll do one just for you, Bubby. We'll do a special one for Wubby. You ready, Wubs?
When that chip comes out from outside the window, I'm going to get it. Get off!
Wubs.
It's my chip. Get off!
Can Wubby see the chip?
The seagull was trying to jump.
Did you see it, Bubba?
They grabbed the chip.
Bossy. They're bossy, aren't they?
I'm ready to go play.
Oh no!
No!
He's realised the window's down and the chips are just in here.
He's standing guard over that chip on the windscreen, hoping it's going to just somehow go out the window to him.
It's a bossy one, that one.
He's too busy being bossy and he misses them all.
He's probably the male, dominant male. The other ones are probably females.
Mum, look at me.
Just left your windscreen lovely and clean.